Right y'all, it's in the car bringing me be lost today, going to different day. Someone dumped me a line today. I tried someone to watch it today, some of you guys watch it before, if you know what happened go on today. I got my mama dancing in the day, and there's something listening to one top in there, and someone in my mama crib today, we were chilling the last, and y'all. It's a moon in the rain, y'all. And he just in the car and we trying to eat. He looked and trying to cross on you guys. So then it's a good day to do so. Last week, I talked to how food not me better. Go watch it, y'all. Some of the people that get some cream. We got a lot of views there. Someone posted Little Miss comment Salon in there, go to top in there, y'all. When I find the comments, go hit this new car. Little Miss comment upon presence. So when I did everything, share, comment with y'all, said let this class, y'all, just banging in there, and put his videos and set up underwear, none. So we're not there, then we're gonna see, we're gonna leave in 5:30, we're gonna leave. We're gonna right here, sit down and put out, it's outside this morning, that. So you guys think like a little more videos with that, so we're that, sending a lot of dudes this weekend. My cousin Sophie, we had cancer. This is bad, cancer in her body, everything that a lot. So we get her and Dr. Broken everything. So I know y'all some please and prayers and something, okay? So in the back and help say the things. Doctor said we had cancer. This is well serious, y'all. I think you anyone that does it, y'all. So I'm gonna do y'all. Listen for y'all, do it all outside. So I'm gonna do some nuts, it's okay, real well. So I'm gonna do some see in the house, and then trust my phone, and then even I should go on the day to do the picture game. And then, so this way here, y'all, please, this is the preachy there, the one will have to go on in there, y'all. And, I got my headset, this is nice, hey! This is a lot to do, this is like, this evening, I don't want to do my money, y'all, coming down. You good?
Yeah, you?
Yeah. Tired?
Me too.
What you getting to eat?
McDonald's.
Wow. It is sad, y'all. Everything you want to God. I can't remember next door. We got a lawyer. That this is. And I know who it was and what happened from home. And the police are set up everywhere. And it's 6 police. And 6 police. And there. They know to the internet is good, everybody that left. So we're gonna see in the crowd at night, start coming up low. So we're gonna dump the line right there. See what I'm gonna do, y'all. And what I'm do, there's a lot of trash on the ground. It's 4:58. We got time. I'm gonna do this. In the rain, it's in the cloudy, everywhere in the cloud. This right here, y'all. This there's an old Eagle Park. This video, this one has more views. Yeah, we'll get so many views this video. So, this shot, I love y'all. Thank you, anyone. This is coming down, y'all. The rain is coming down. Look at this. Underwear is coming. It's coming down. It's coming along with the look at this. It's pretty. Everywhere it is. It's coming on rain. Coming on rain, y'all. Thank you so much, guys. I'm going to pour out here in the art and the love right there. There, probably the last week. We face bed and go basketball. And we do like nothing confused, y'all. Thinking they was in Washington. And, oh yeah. Rain coming in. It's coming in, y'all. And there. Guys, pray with us, me and my mom and guys. We're going home, there's some chill. We're gonna leave 5:30. We're gonna let my mom get some things we're gonna do, go to. We're in Cottington. This is we're in the wildest, we're in the house on the dance, we're in the white wildest, anything. Do not test your home, y'all. Do not test it. It's my home, y'all. Do not test anything in the world. Anything that do. So everywhere. Now this is white waters. When we're here, this is not a well. Holding things. And there's a holding everywhere. This is a holding name. And this is a lot. Wires, there's a pipe. I'm in this game and that. We got a lot of trash on the ground. We're gonna deep under there, you know. So I'm gonna press it today. It's turned 11. I tried time earlier in the adding right there. Look at the time. 5:01, y'all. 5:01. What's in my underwear? We have grill here, we got veterans, and water clothes, and this right here. So we're in the office right here, you guys. So I'm gonna see us. So give me a card. Court is a dang awesome camera. You guys when you do. So I ain't changed it in my life around. So it's a bad this even. News, y'all. Please, this is my car. He just barely blood pressures. We're doing that, y'all. There's no rain coming in. I y'all it's cloudy. I'm gonna come in. I'm gonna take this right here. Get some tile. I y'all gonna see you in that video. I y'all see you this video. Look at the clouds. It's raining coming in. I'm gonna windy. Anyway, guys, I'm gonna do it, guys. Watching for videos. We're there. And watching this. My new, I do clean the live. I ain't better than clean live. So I did that already. I did tune 10 with live, and I'm gonna do tune 11 in there. I did that already with cartoon clean. So I go watch it, y'all. I got a lot of views there. So I'm gonna do guys and do the good to do so. Y'all, so I'm gonna record an awesome camera. I got my mama's car. It's bad in the top. I'm sorry. I didn't see this.